Hi, my friends. My name is Uilani Picard, and most people call me Ui. I'm a stylist for Color Street, and I'm so excited about it. Okay, but before we go on any further, because you might hear some sounds in the background, I'm a mom and a grandma too. Some of my grandchildren call me Grandma, Grandma Ui, and even Grammy. What that means is you may hear a movie, beautiful sounds, and crying in the background, okay? Because that's what being a grandma is all about. Okay, so just think. You'll be able to apply these Color Street nail strips anywhere you may go. At home, on the car, and on an airplane. So today I just want to show you how quick and easy these awesome nail strips are to apply. I think that we can all agree waiting for nails to dry is no fun at all, especially when you're super busy and you're a mom. Nobody has time for that. So I'm going to be demonstrating how to apply these on really quick using you know the drill. You know the drill, okay? So the shade that actually got me hooked was Mardi Gras. And my life will never be the same, okay? So let me take this out. Okay, so in the nail kit, you get the Color Street alcohol prep pack. You get a Color Street nail file, a mini nail file. And you also get two, you get these nail strips in it, okay? So let me find, there's usually a slit that you can, here we go, that you can just tear up, and let's get into it, okay? So I'm gonna be demonstrating how to apply these on really quick, okay? And so the shade that got me hooked was Mardi Gras. And my life has never been the same, okay? So they cost anywhere from $11 to $13 per set, and you get more than enough to do your toes too. So that's a mani-pedi for an average of $12, everybody. Can you imagine that? I know when I used to get my nails done at a salon, it would cost me more than that. Okay, so gotta love that as well. The cost and the convenience, okay? There is one tip that's really important though, that I wanna share. Before you apply these Color Street nail strips, take a shower at night, and just before you go to bed, then you apply these nail strips, okay? The reason for that is as you're sleeping, the nail strips will cure onto your nails during the night, okay? So that's really important. Okay, so the first thing you want to do though is you want to wash your hands with Dawn dish soap. And the reason for that is it'll take off any natural oils on your nails, and I've already done that, okay? The next thing you want to do is you want to wipe your nails with this Color Street alcohol prep pad. Now this comes in the packet, the nail packet that you receive. So everything you need comes, like I showed you, comes in the package that the nail set came in. Okay, so let me tear this open. So all you need to do is wipe it, okay, just to have a clean slate, okay? So you wipe each nail down, okay? I've already pushed my cuticles back, already filed and buffed my nails, okay? So there you go, okay? So then what you want to do is take out the nail sets, and as you can see, it comes with 2 nail strips, okay? That's 8 nail strips that you have, okay? So one of them will fit on each of your nails, okay? Okay. So I know which one goes on my pinky. So let me take that off. Okay, so the first thing you do is remove the protective layer, the clear protective layer, okay? So you remove that, okay? And then you again remove sorry, I don't know why I'm having a hard time. Then you remove the backing off of the nail strip, okay? So there you go, okay? And then like I said, because I know which one goes on my pinky, I am going to apply the nail set or the nail strip closest to my cuticle as possible. Okay, closest to my cuticle as possible. Okay, maybe I got it crooked or I got it on my nail, my skin. All you are able to do is gently take it off and then reposition it. Okay. So let me do that. Okay, so I am gently smoothing it out. Okay, smoothing it out. Okay, can you see that? Then you pull it over the tip of your nail, and then with your thumb, you perforate it right under the tip of your nail. And voila! Amazing, right? That's all it took. Okay, so later what I'll do is I'll show you how to clean the excess off, okay? But isn't that amazing? Isn't it? Okay, and then I still have the other side of the nails, the nail strip. So what I'll do is remove this silver end. Okay, so this exposes, okay, it exposes the other side of the nail strip. So I'm going to then position it. Okay, wait, let me get this part off. Position it as close to my cuticles as possible. And then I'm going to gently press on the bottom, and then I'll go to my sides. Okay, and smooth it out. So this, okay, and then on the top, I'm just gonna pull and press, pull and press. So this gets it really smooth. Okay, and then so the second option to remove the excess, you know, instead of doing your thumb, is you get, okay, you get your Color Street, your Color Street nail file that you got in your package along with the nail set, okay? And then all you do is file it with a downward motion, okay? With a downward motion, you file it, okay? And then what happened? Voila, that's it. That's all it is, okay? And there we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, because as you can see, there's some excess here and some excess here. Okay, So what I'm going to do is show you how to remove the excess. All you do is, see that? Is you just, with your thumbnail, you just press on it, press on it, okay, and then you just pull it away, and there you go. There you go. Okay, and if you want to use, because this is the one that I took off with my thumb, if you want to use your nail file to take off any excess you have, you can do that. Okay, and look at that. Isn't that amazing? Amazing, right? So on this side, you can see that there's excess also. You do the same thing, okay? The same thing. I'm going to use my thumb. Use my thumb and go against my nail. There you can see that little part coming off. And voila, it's off. And there you go. So let me do the other side so that both sides can be free of excess, okay? Then I'll do my other side, okay? So I'm just gonna get close to my nail and use my thumb. There you go. If you can see it kind of tearing away, use my thumb to get off the excess. Okay, because it's still pliable, you can do that. Okay, and there you go. Isn't that amazing? There you go. So it's so extremely user-friendly. You can, if you've, like I said before, if you put it on crooked or if you got it on your nails, your skin, you can gently remove it and reapply again. Okay? So isn't that amazing? I'm just amazed at what you can do with this nail strip. Okay, so what I wanted to share with you too is after you're done, you don't want to wash your hands or apply any lotions for at least 20 minutes because that's when the nail strips will be curing, okay? And if you're wanting to apply a solid, I recommend double layering them. So what that means is once you apply one layer on, after you're done, apply another layer. And so if you're using both sides of the nail strip, you'll be able to have enough for that. Excuse me. And so when you think about it, that's really a great value. So on the other hand, what you could do is call a friend. Tell your friend to come over and get a free mani. Yeah, so, and once your friend comes over, maybe get something that you love to drink, coffee, tea, iced tea, and get your nails done, both you and your friend, for $12. How amazing is that? So that's how easy and fast. I applied one nail strip, just one, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be continuing to do my nails, okay? Just so that, so that I can think of maybe there's other things that you might want to know. It's really that easy though. It comes in solids, glitters, and designs. So the solids are 11, glitters are 12, and designs are 13. I know I used to pay like $5 for each design every time I went to a salon. So the ability to get my nails done super fun or just classic and cute, Color Street does it all, okay? So excuse me, I have my grandson here and I'm trying to do this, but So this is Hassan Kinohi. Yeah, so he's my youngest grandchild. Okay, so I would love to spoil you as a customer. I'll link my group. It's called Maluhia Nails VIP group to this video description. Or if you'd like to shop, just go to my website. Okay, my website is www.maluhianails.com, and that's spelled MALUHIANAILS.com. All of these gorgeous sets are buy 3, get 1 free. But remember, when you place your order, place 4 nail sets in your cart and one of them will get discounted. So hope you enjoyed it, even with the background noise and my grandson, Hassan Kinohi. And I know you'll love your Color Street nails. Aloha and mahalo. Hi everyone, I just wanted to come back on and show you my nails that are all done applying, and because I just did a demo on how to apply Color Street nail strips. So this is the finished product. Okay, isn't that just beautiful? So this is called You Know the Drill. Okay, so have a wonderful day and so happy to have my nails on. Okay, aloha, mahalo.